Alright, so we're starting our laundry adventures videos. We're traveling and we are going to different laundromats. So we're starting a laundry video vlog. And we're in Harper. We came here from Anthony because Anthony was $1 more a load, and these are $2 a load. So we figure we're going to rate all the laundromats in our vicinity for the next couple weeks, and every Monday I'm going to put a video out about laundry, because everybody loves laundry. I love laundry, especially clean laundry. So every week we will come from a new laundromat in South Central Kansas, where we live, and we will talk laundry. Alright, we'll see you next week.